Welcome back to another episode. Today is an easy video because I want to show you finally the right and neutral stance in your surf, on your surf trainer. The neutral stance. A lot of people do it wrong. So instead of showing you mistakes, I show you the right position, the right place. When you look at a surf trainer, your front foot should be behind the screws here, slightly behind those 4 screws, about here. And 45 degrees. Your back feet should be on the kicker or slightly in front. But what most important is, because I have everything in my online course obviously, but want to show you something new today, how to stand on it properly, like body-wise. A lot of people do this, I'm way more stable. It's not like this. What you should do is the following. We call it the same in surfing, the set position. The chest over front knee. Means when you look at my knee, my hips and my chest should be like this. One arm, the right arm is right, left arm is left. We call this position the chest over front knee. It's easy, it's relaxed. From this position, I can do everything. I can do lift, I can do compress, reach and hold. I can do lean and turn for snaps and so on. But you should get comfortable with the chest over front knee position. We call them the neutral stance. By the way, you should always warm up. I am warm already, sweating even, because I did some surf skate videos. If you want to see more, obviously, check out the channel. I have one of the most viewed surf skate videos, more than 500,000. Which is crazy. It's like 4 years ago, I think. So today I'm showing you the neutral stance. I'm gonna surf skate directly into your face, but have a look. This is the neutral stance. Look how comfortable it is. Out of this position, I can do anything. But you see a lot of people, this is the only thing I show you, because you see the difference, like this, and this doesn't feel stable. And number one in surfing is, look awesome. It doesn't look awesome. So we want to have a chest over front knee position. You see that? Oh, there's a camera. Oh, I can. So please have in mind, your stance is important if you want to improve speed, turning, the right techniques in your surfing. Please come to our retreats or get the online course or get the Surf Companions books illustrated with all the knowledge you need. And I made a special 3-part series about the bottom turn in surf skating. If you want to check it out, it's totally for free. All the informations are in the link below. I hope you like this small little video. Stay stylish, improve your surfing, leave a comment down below, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not already did, because I put a lot of time, energy, and passion into this YouTube channel. Can't wait to see you.